Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please give love to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the videos by just clicking on that thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. We've just come to see another fall and Jeff just went out and checked and he told me that it looks really nice. A fabulous view. Down now and parked our car. There's a plenty of parking here. We are walking towards Tigganic Falls. It's not hard level walking. In fact, Finger Lake surprised us in so many ways. It's absolutely beautiful and there's so many fun places to explore. Daffy, what do you have to say about this fall?
Very nice, very beautiful.
Oh really? We haven't reached yet. We are going to another fall now. And, what's the name of the fall? Oh, Ithaca Falls. Hey guys, so here is this Ithaca Falls. It's beautiful. Not much walking, just a very small tour into the fall. driving to Winery now. It's a Jeff demand to see the winery and then for food because I'm really hungry. We had breakfast a little early today so that we could leave early, but as usual we are late. We reached to Winery now, and it's a Jeff demand to see the winery and taste some wines. Lastly, I need to take a permission from the owner if I can shoot here. So let's go. Taste. Let me know how it is. So Jeff is very busy tasting wines. We have already tasted three of them, right?
Good.
Yeah. Now he's tasting red wine. It's good. Okay. I like it. I'll show you the winery from inside. Okay. It's not a huge one though, but pretty nice. They have a good collection. And the owner, the lady, is very sweet.
We just source really good quality fruits, make a nice clean fermentation, generally try to capture the fruitiness of the wine, but we don't leave a lot of residual sugar, so they're often on the dry side, but very fruit forward.
This winery has chosen to focus on red wines, so they have all red wine collection, and we both prefer red wine. I mean, when it comes to wine, that's our preference. But although we are open to any good wines. So this is vineyard, grape plantation. Look at this, guys. They're so tiny right now. I read online that there are different stages, and I think this stage is called fruit set. I'm not sure, but I guess so.